To fix the PayPal transfer failed issue, start by checking your account balance and ensuring you have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. Verify that the recipient's email address is correct and that they have a PayPal account. Next, review the transaction details and check for any errors or typos in the amount or description. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and that you have not exceeded the daily transaction limit. If you are still experiencing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or switching to a different browser. You can also try using the PayPal mobile app instead of the website. Check your account for any holds or restrictions that may be causing the transfer to fail. If you have recently added a new bank account or credit card, ensure it is confirmed and verified. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help you identify the cause of the problem and provide a solution. When contacting PayPal support, have your account information and transaction details ready to provide to the representative. This will help them to quickly and efficiently resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the PayPal transfer failed issue and complete your transaction successfully. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions to avoid any future issues. To prevent transfer failures in the future, regularly review your account activity and transaction history. Ensure that your account information is accurate and that you are using the most up-to-date version of the PayPal website or mobile app. By taking these precautions and following the steps outlined above, you can minimize the risk of transfer failures and ensure a smooth and secure transaction experience with PayPal.